Each morning, waking up at about 5 o'clock, then deciding that it's still too cold and somehow holding yourself down in your sleeping bag till about 5:30, getting out, using the yellow tent with the hole and the tissue paper, and then immediately rushing to fill your water bottle with hot water. Not because you want to drink hot water, because when you hold the hot water, your fingers come back to life. And maybe having some cereal or milk or snacks, and then quickly rushing back to the tent to take out all the chargers that have been charging, pack up the sleeping bag, get your gear for the day ready, and get yourself for the day ready. And by the time you're ready and zipped up and packed up with everything, go out, have breakfast, and do some warm up and get ready to go on the bike. This has been our schedule. Cycling the Manali to Leh route is not about cycling the tough passes. It is about that. It is not about cycling for 8 or 9 or 10 days in a stretch. It is about that. But it is doing all of this without the material comfort of coming back to your own house, in your own bed, taking a hot shower every day, having your favorite meal on your dining table every day. Doing all this here in this tiny tent in the middle of nowhere. And okay, it's too cold and I'm going to regret having to unzip the tent just to show you this, but waking up to this. Oh wow, it's sunny. You guys are lucky, you get to see some sun. I wasn't seeing any sun till 10 minutes ago. That is what this trip is also about. Today is the one chill day, 50 kilometers of which about, well, most of it is going to be downhill. And we hope to make it early, maybe by about 1:30, and have a nice long day of rest and relaxation and exercise and stretching for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be one of our toughest days when we'll do the 22 loops, which will be about 800 meters of elevation, I think 700 to 800 meters of elevation, with less than 2 kilometers of riding distance. So 1/3 of Nandi, and I think about 1.5 elevation of Nandi. 1/3 the distance of Nandi and 1.5 the elevation of Nandi. We'll see. Sand cliffs, stalagmites, and a river way. After over 7 days acclimatizing, training and riding through beautiful Himachal, we are finally, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you India's highest, driest, coldest, and of course, our newest union territory, giving identity to the people of Ladakh. Our easiest day so far. We did about 52 kilometers in about 3.5 hours. Total elevation negative 400 meters. So we've actually come down 400 meters today from last night's camp. Extremely chill ride, and preparing ourselves for tomorrow, which will be a very, very tough day. We are doing two of the toughest passes. Well, sorry, we are attempting two of the toughest passes tomorrow, both Gata loops as well as Nakila. We'll see if we do it or not.